Well, happy Wednesday, everyone. Glad y'all can join me on this fine day. As you can see, we're looking at the coin market cap. Let me go ahead and refresh the page. Bitcoin is now over 4,000. So $4,067. Our coin market cap is at 141 billion, almost 142. 24-hour volume is 3 billion, and the BTC dominance is 47%. Bitcoin Cash has dropped to 4th. I believe it was 3rd yesterday. Still excited to see Bitconnect and Monero up here. Neo has been on a run the last couple days, so if you're buying it at 20, maybe a good time for you to sell out at 50% bonuses. So there's that. This Kyber network, I'm kind of excited about it. I'm hoping the price comes down and then it hits a couple bigger exchanges. Basically, they're wanting to set up their own exchange network that is not centralized, so a decentralized exchange. Game credits, I believe I posted in Monday's video that to be watching for this one. We'll check that out on, let's see, 7-day. 25th at I believe it is about right in here is when I said to be watching it. And if you bought in and got some, it was a good run up. I have now officially got out of all my game credits, so there's that. Hope y'all did well on that one. I have my site up. Basically, I just have it pulling in from all the different sources, make it a little easier for me to keep up. So if I need to check up on content, this is where I go. And it's just caseywatkins.com. So you can just click it and it will kind of give you a brief summary, and if you want to read all of it, then there's a link to the source to read all of it. Changely partnered with one of the wallets, so basically just kind of watching and keeping up with what's going on, because you can make a lot of money just knowing what's going on, and you can lose a lot of money not knowing what's going on. So I just keep up with it right there. I guess let's just start down the tab. Genesis Mining. I had a payout yesterday with the Bitcoin increase in difficulty. It kind of lowered my payouts. Not that worried about it. Still waiting on them to add some. Oh, it's gonna kick me out. Y'all see that? Time to do all the cars. Waiting for them to add some more. I hate these things. All the ones that are street signs. Thank God. Waiting for them to add some more Bitcoin mining power. They made an announcement, I think like on the 20th, that they're going to add even more. But right now we're still at Zcash, Ethereum, and Monero. I'm not really interested in mining any of those. They're 2-year contracts, no mining power or no mining fees. So you pay for what you get, and it takes about a year to get your investment back with those. Next on the list is Bitpetite. This one I am digging. It's about to start getting some more of my money, because I'm doing the Bitcoin to Bitcoin. My current investment is still going. I've now got it all back, and now we're into the profit stage. So I'm happy. It's about to, well, I'll show you my spreadsheet here in a minute. Bittrex is still trading. Gunbot's still going. I could show you all that here in a second. The one I'm watching today is LBC library credits. Kind of a little late on the ball, letting y'all know about it. I actually bought in like right here. Well, let's see, at 60.46. So 60.46. It was this line and about right there. Right there is where I bought in. So I'm already at 64.67 is what it's selling at right now. I'm probably gonna wait till it gets to about 7,000. 6,900. 6,900 will give me, where is it at? Downward, 15%. 69.53 will give me 15%. So that's where I'm going to be for that coin. Yesterday ended up at minus 0.18%. A little bit of a loss, but not that bad. Let me change this to where it looks normal. We'll go ahead and go over to my wallet and see what we're currently sitting at. We've moved up some from the library coin that I bought. Yeah, we've already made 4% on the account today just from library coin. So I expect it to continue to go up. I'll probably get out tomorrow afternoon, no matter where I'm at price wise. So that'll help. So far for the month, on just my Bittrex account, I'm up 32%, and my average daily is 1.15%. So moving pretty good. Have done some deposits and some withdrawals out of that account. The new Gunbot is 504. This is the non-GUI version. He's supposed to be within 24 hours, supposed to have the 505, and it's supposed to have a GUI. So I am waiting for that before I convert over. Let's see. Game updates. Crypto trade. Let's see. We'll go back to my investments. Yeah, so here's my investments. My one and only investment in Dragon Foundation. I got 12 bucks in there. It has paid out 57 cents. So my ROI so far is $4 or 4.6%. So we're just gonna let that one go. I'll start putting some more in here too. Let me kind of show you how I'm going to do it. Go over here to this sheet. Let's see if that'll zoom in. We'll just leave it. So basically, I want all of these different accounts to be funded, and these are the percentages I want in each of the accounts. So help diversify all of my accounts. And right now, like my Bittrex trading is at 5%, and I want it up to 20% of my total account, or my total Bitcoin holdings. Proof of stake coins is at 2%. I'll show you all that here in a minute. Cloud mining is 80%. And I only want that to be about 10%. So I need to invest in all these other areas to bring that percentage down. Sorry about that. Chain group is 1% of my total, and I want that to be about 20. And Bitpetite is at 11%, and I want that to be about 20. So with Bitpetite, I got to keep investing in it because after the 6 weeks, it'll fall off. So I'm fine with that. It pays really well. So how I'm going to do this is every Friday I'm going to put in how much I have in my Bitcoin wallet that is my earnings wallet. So, and that's not going to, I'm going to leave the Bittrex account alone until it gets to the 20% and then start. I'm not going to pull anything out of the Bittrex trading. Bitpetite I have to pull out, so it's going into this, and the cloud mining is going into this. And then whatever Bitcoin I purchase, I'm going to start doing weekly purchases of Bitcoin to start helping fund all these accounts. So basically, if I want to take home any, then I'm just going to put in the amount here. So if I want to take home 10%, it will tell me what's left over that I can distribute. But to help grow these faster, right now I'm not going to take home any. And basically, if I want to, each one of these percentages, I just need to adjust this to 100%. So as long as these add up to 100%, and actually what I will do real quick is let's do sum all those, and that's 100%. So I can adjust these any way I want them to be my distribution, and as long as this bottom number equals 100%. So, and then I know how much I need to spend in each of these accounts to get it to start distributing my money up here. So to kind of help build it up, and I'm sure there's a way I can formulate all this to match together. I just haven't taken the time to do it yet. So now that I've bored you with a whole bunch of numbers, let's take a look and see if storage is actually working. No, it's not. I'll just kind of give y'all an update. I currently have 528 gigabytes of my storage shared. I've got 7 terabytes of space allocated. I don't know if it'll ever make it to that point, but it's using 528 right now. So it's working its way. It's going. Let's see, Gunbot. Here's the Gunbot settings. I'm still kind of working the same coins as I had the other day. So let's refresh this page. So right now a lot of my Bitcoin balance is held up in the library credits. So hopefully end of today, tomorrow. Oh, that's not what I wanted. End of today or tomorrow, I'll be able to get rid of some of my library credits and back to trading hardcore. So it has made some profits on each of these coins. Some of them it hasn't had time to do anything, but some of the I keep hitting the wrong one. I'm trying to refresh the pages. So 2,000 Satoshis, not bad. It moves up a little bit every time. So we just kind of let that go, let that run. Brocoin is the only one I have currently for coin staking. I'm going to work on building this up and getting it to a masternode. Once I have the masternode amount of coins, then I'll move on to the next coin. I still have yet to earn another stake, and right now it says 3 days. So my last stake was, where'd it go? Mine was on the 24th, so it's been 3 days. 3 days, 7 hours. So we'll see how long it takes. Other than that, I just keep listening to my bit radio and keep earning coins that way. So there's that. I guess that's about it for the day. I expect library credits to be doing good. It's already up 12% in the last 24 hours. So it just keeps going up. It's at 6,500 now. So I'll probably set a sell order. I'll probably set a sell order at 6,900. I expect it to reach there. I didn't know if I was going to be able to break the 6,200 mark there for a while. There was some guy that had like 6 bitcoins selling worth of those at 6,200, and it finally broke through. The next cap is probably going to be 6,900, roughly about right there. 6,929. I'll probably end up getting out about 6,800, just so I can make sure I sell out before it hits that hard cap. As we go down here, kind of look at the orders. 6,600 is another wall. And we keep going. There's another 6650s, decent size, half a Bitcoin. I mean, it's still got a ways to go to get up to where I want to sell out at, but about 6,800, 13 Bitcoin worth of sales in the next 24 hours. It may not make it. I can also do a conditional. I don't know. We're just going to watch it and see what happens. I could set up a conditional sell order, so if it hits back down here, 6,200, to drop out again, go ahead and make my sell and claim some of my profit. But right now, I think that's where I'm going to stay for at least another 24 hours and just kind of continue to watch it. And hopefully Gunthar releases the Gunbot 505 today. So I guess that's it. I didn't see any comments from Monday's video with any dash. So let's see. Here's Monday's video. Oh, come on now. Just take me to the video.
Starting my own business? Best idea I've ever had.
Yeah, no comments. I did have one spam comment, but that was it. So leave a comment on today's video. I mean, right now, if you're the only commenter, you get 100 or 1,000 free Dogecoin. So yeah, Doge. I gotta make sure I'm not saying Dash. It's Dogecoin. So leave a comment on today's video. Win 1,000 Doge. And I will be back tomorrow. Y'all have a wonderful day. Fill up your crypto wallets.